Massive blizzard hits California and Nevada. An unprecedented blizzard has unleashed its fury on California and Nevada, paralyzing parts of these states under a thick blanket of snow. Major roads shuttered, ski resorts deserted, and thousands left in the dark as power lines succumbed to the storm's wrath. The Sierra Nevada mountains, now a battleground against nature's might, faced wind gusts over 180 miles per hour, elevating avalanche dangers to extreme. With winter storm warnings stretching across California, Oregon, Idaho, and Colorado, the siege is far from over. Emergency personnel battle blizzard conditions, striving to reach those stranded amidst this chaos. Communities band together, braving the storm's relentless onslaught as they wait for a break in the weather.